So question 25 says, use the full method to find the product. So the full method just is an acronym for using the distributive property to multiply through addition. So essentially what we're doing is we're multiplying a binomial times a binomial. So we're using the distributive property twice. But remember in FOIL, usually we write it as first, outer, inner, last. Now, if you use FOIL, one of the things I like to do is I will kind of do the first 1 times 1, I'll do 1. But then I'll do the outer, I'll show that. The outer would be 1 times negative 3y would be negative 3y. So actually, I would put the negative 3y above it. That's a little too small. I can't see that. Got to be a little bit bigger. So negative 3y. And then the inner, I'll make another little loop. So negative 4 times 1 would be negative 4y. And those are like terms. So negative 3y and negative 4y is going to come down as a negative 7y. And then my last terms, a negative 4y and a negative 3y, is going to be a positive 12y squared. So I'd have 1 minus 7y plus 12y squared. Now you also can write it the other way, 12y squared minus 7y plus 1. So I don't think it really matters. Usually I like to have it from highest degree to lowest degree. So I usually like to have the quadratic term first, then the linear term, and then the constant on the end. So, but order does not matter. 1 minus 7y squared plus 12y squared would be just as good. It's just in what's called ascending order, where this is in descending order, but they're both correct. So sometimes it's okay to have it the constant, the linear term, and the quadratic term, or again, you could have the quadratic term, the linear term, and the constant. Again, quadratic means the exponent of the variable is a 2. Linear means the exponent was a 1. A constant means there was not an exponent, it was just a number. So we would have that going on there. So yeah, either way would be acceptable in using FOIL.